Hello everyone, welcome to Texters. So today I will show you how to humanize your AI generated text. So to get it premium tool free, follow the step by step tutorial. So for this you have to go to your browser. So in the browser you have to write you have to generate any AI related text. So I will generate AI text through ChatGPT. So here I will generate some AI related text like write a short paragraph about content creation. So look, this is generated AI text through ChatGPT. So I have to copy this tool and I have to go to another browser. So in the new tab you have to write an AI my text. So you will find this website, then you have to click on it. So you will enter into this website. So in this site you have to make it humanize your full AI related text. So here I have to copy this text what I have copied from this site. So I have pasted this text and I have to click on this humanize text. So look, it is totally humanized generated text. So that here you can see that this is basically a AI generated text, but here I have totally humanized this, and you can see this which word they have added it in this paragraph. So this is very helpful website, and you will be amazed to using this website. So thank you so much for your time. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and see you in the next video.